So check this out. I'm not a nail tech, but I received this from Hamara to do an honest review. I had been seeing these used by rhinestone blinging enthusiasts, and I had tried my hand at blinging the Stanley cup. The first step in blinging a cup is to sand this, and with that comes lots of dust. You sand this by hand with sandpaper, and it is very dusty, very messy. And I tried this before I started blinging this cup, and I didn't like it. There was tons of mess. So I have seen nail techs use this as their dust collector when they're filing nails. I wanted to try this for my crafting mess because I did see that all the dust was going into this collector. So let's look at what's inside. Right out of the box, it feels solid but compact. It has silicone paddings at the bottom of the base, so that reduces the vibration and slipping on the surface. Here's the knob that controls the speed levels. Here's the power supply. Let's plug it in and see how it works. So here it is. Let me turn it on. So what I like about it is here, when I'm filing my nails, you can literally see the dust. It's going right in. There's no mess. It's going straight down instead of floating everywhere. I really like this. But like I said, I'm not a nail tech. So what I wanted it for was really for my rhinestone cups. When I sand my cup before adding the rhinestones, it's so critical that this dust doesn't fly all over the place and that you're not breathing it in. So I like that it's being sucked right into the dust collector. There's no cloud, there's no mess all over my table. It's powerful, but it's still quiet enough to use while I'm working. If you're sanding, filing, or creating any kind of fine dust, this actually makes cleanup so much easier.